Those that are wondering why churches have been attacked, mosques have been attacked by bandits, there are statements these forest rangers are giving. You sometimes wonder why when they are taken to police stations, they are released. It is because, as I said in one of my previous videos, they are employees working for their employers. And these employers are not people who are here based on maybe their own accord. They are supported by international government.
So guys, you guys heard what she said. They are forest rangers. Hey. And they are they are employees working for their employers. That's what she said. And it's being linked up internationally. Hey, these people we are seeing in the bush. Hey, God, oh God. Wait, you guys can hear what she's saying. You heard her. If it is me, if I'm the one talking like this lady, or if someone else, like any other citizen, any other any other Nigerian talking like this lady, nobody can talk the way this lady is talking, that the person will not be behind bar, except somebody from her side or somebody like her. So that is the Nigerian law has been made in a way that some people looks as if they are above the law, and some people, the law can catch up with them at any time. See what this lady is talking about. See how she is talking confidently, dishing out words. Who can talk like this? Who from south, anywhere in the south, either southwest to southeast to south to, can talk the way this lady is talking? That is to tell you the level Nigeria have decayed. That is to tell you this lady have been ranting online, no challenge. She can come out any day, say whatever she wants to say, no challenge. Nobody will ask her that, come, why are you talking like this? See what she's saying. See how she's defending the so-called bandits. See how she is defending them. They are forest rangers. They are employees working for employers. In fact, they even need benefit. Nigeria. Oh God, how did we get here? How did we get here? That people like this will be ranting like this online and nothing will happen. Just try to twist it, change it, that I am the one talking like this lady, or someone else from the southwest, southeast, south. Now that time we will know. That time you will know that we have security men. We have people online that can say, why are you talking like this? You will be brought. Let me use our word, or their word, regular word. She will be brought to book. You will see people reminding you that you will be brought to book. But you see this one, no book for her. No book for her. She can say anything she wants to say, talk anyhow she wants to talk. Nothing they happen, because she has been ranting for a very long time on this social media, on this her platform. Saying all sorts of things, all manner of things. Anyhow she wants to say it. No sugarcoating. No sugarcoating. Our own will be, you want to say the other one, you say bye. Her own, she know they say bye. She will go straight and call it what it is. Nothing, no cap. Who be monkey? So that is the kind of Nigeria we are living. We want. We can see it playing out. You see? So we don't even know that we have gold safe. Like me, I thought that is only oil that we have in Nigeria. I don't even know that we have something else. She's mentioning a lot of stuff that we have in their place. you know, that these boys that are disturbing Nigerians, that they are there in the forest as forest rangers. They are there guiding the forest. You know, they are employers working for employee working for employers, and they got link up. You know, they have link up to international people. Hey, and she's listing all what we have in the bush. The other day I was asking in one of my videos that she's talking about bush, but no, the other man, Gumi, is talking about the boys, safeguarding, protecting our bush. I'm like asking that, bush, what is in the bush? Because I know that it's only oil that we have, oil and that are, like oil. Then other things are like farmers, farm produce and all that. So like all these mineral resources, all these things she's mentioning that we have, gold, lithium, uranium, all those ones this lady is mentioning here. I don't even know that Nigeria produce all those things, that we have all those things. But they don't mention them on the things that I've not been hearing it from our lawmakers. So who are those people in the forest mining all those things this lady is mentioning? Who are there? Who are those there? Let's continue to hear from her.
Come and mine. These unhappy employees are who we call today as bandits. These bandits are not treated properly. No, this is a sincere call to the Nigerian government. Let us modernize our mining industry. We don't have a problem with you bringing in China, America, France to come and mine, but they should offer good condition to our people. Look at, for example, let me give you a very, very painful example. You would recruit young boys just because they are nomads, just because they know the road to where you will get your minerals. You will recruit young boys who are at the age of 18, 15, 16, 18 to 21, 22. You will keep them in forests for 1 year, 2 years without getting them exposed to society. These young boys are carrying guns. These young boys are carrying phones. So when they finish watching nonsense things on their phones and become horny, and because they are not living in good conditions, they start eyeing people that are passing by from the city. This is something we don't talk about. There are times that you hear that these bandits will raid a village and rape all the women there. You'll be wondering why. What kind of animal behavior is this? It is the conditions that these people leave these forest rangers. If you know that you want to come and take the resources from the land, if you know you want to come and use our people to find your terrains, to secure your mining activity, please give them good condition of living. Treat them like human beings. Satisfy their own side of your agreement so that this thing will not be spilling into cities. Sometimes these boys or these men want to make statements. They want to be seen. That's why they are doing all these atrocities, attacking innocent people. They just want to be seen. Mining is not a bad thing. It should be done properly. The lives of people are at stake. These bandits, to me, I call them forest rangers. These forest rangers need to be treated properly. When you look at them, you see a level of confidence in them. But in your eyes, you call them terrorists. Well, they know what they represent. Because in their hands are knowledge that you, the professor that is there, do not have. You are just a salary earner that sit down with books reading from morning to night. You don't know when the next salary will come. These people hold the wealth of nations in their possession. They know the whereabouts of the best mining fields in this country. So these people should be treated right. The terrorists, as you call them, they need to be treated right. If you want to use their knowledge, their nomadic knowledge, to gain your path to knowing the terrains where there are mineral resources, then you need to pay them well, so that we, the people living in urban areas, can have peace. There is a saying that says, what happens in the forest remain in the forest. No, the forest...
Guys, do you even know that even to listen to this lady is scary? It's even scary to listen to this lady. She said they need to be treated right. You know, they need to be treated right. I'm like, what is this lady talking about? Hey, Nigeria, now so now enter one chance. They need to be treated right. For what? Yeah, as they are working for you, the employers working for... I don't even know that Nigeria have any of all these things that she's mentioning here on this her video. I don't even know that Nigeria have all these things that they are mining. So they have gold, they have all these things in the bush, but they have not made it public. They have not made it known. I can see some people online showing pocket places in the north, in the bush, where they are mining, accusing like China people and all that, mining it right in the bush. Sometimes you will see all these small plane, they will land in the bush and all that. They say that those are the ones that are transporting the gold and all that they are mining from the bush there. Okay, why is it that they have not made it known to the public, to the government, so that it will be one of the things that Nigeria mines or Nigeria produce? We know of oil. Everybody is aware of oil, but that of the gold, lithium, all those things this lady have been listing here, we don't know that Nigeria have all those things. So even if Nigeria have those things, those people that are mining it, they are mining it illegally. You see, all of us join hands and we are using oil in the south. We are using it to build the nation, the country, and all that. But the gold and other mineral resources in the north, they are mining it themselves. You see, these people, things are unfolding. Gradually, things are unfolding. You see, they say every day is for the thief, one day is for the owner of the house. See, they have been enjoying all this alone for a very long time. See how the lady is talking now. She will think that maybe government is involved or Nigeria is involved about those people that are mining those mineral resources in the bush. She thought that it's our Nigeria government that is doing that, not knowing that may be individuals from their place, and those are the people that are creating this insecurity for real. Nigeria have to probe. Nigeria have to come in to check the people that are involved. Those people involved in mining of anything illegally in Nigeria. Government need to come out now to check those people involved that are mining all those things over there. And government should check. So I have not heard that Nigeria is rich in all these things this lady have been listing here. You see, that is one of the reasons they created insecurity, to protect the forest. No wonder every time Megumi and co, they'll be talking about, we need those boys to, they should not do this, they should not do that to the boys, But those boys are dealing with Nigerians. If they will not do this, they will not do that. If they catch them, they should not shoot them, they should not do. But they are shooting Nigerians. They are buying Nigerians. They are buying Nigerians, and they are telling us, don't do this, don't do that to them, protecting them, protecting them because they are protecting their forest. We are asking what is in the forest. Okay, now this lady is spilling out. She's saying it as it is. There are things in the forest that we don't know. Only them are mining it illegally. Hey, in this country. Only them are mining it. Because I thought it's only oil that Nigeria have, that is only oil that we have. And that is why we are one of the rich oil country. Not knowing that we have more than oil in our forest. Had it been that this lady is anybody from the south talking like this, she will be behind bars. And by now, she will be behind bars by now, and she will call out all those people that she know. People are looking for bandits, looking for this, looking for that. They all know where they are. You can see, even from what she's saying now, they know where they are, and they know who they are. And this lady is still online, ranting all this. Hey, just exchange it or twist it that this lady now is somebody from the east or from the west or from anywhere in the south. you know, then you will know what will be meted on this lady. You will know if she will not be behind bars by now. And they will get more fat from her. You see? God. Hey. Okay, let's continue with her. Let's continue hearing from her.
Has phones. The forester has AK-47. It will not remain in the forest anymore. It's starting to spill into the city. These boys are horny, I would say. And they're going after villages where they see girls and all that. Provide them good living conditions. Let them bring their women to come and stay with them instead of rampaging nearby villages and raping women. This is raw truth. It might be difficult for you to hear, but it is the raw truth.
Imagine, just imagine how this lady is justifying what these guys are doing. Can you imagine that they are in the villages where they have girls? You know, they will be, hey, God of mercy. Hey, Nigerians, I hope you guys are hearing her. Nigerians, I hope you guys are hearing this lady. Who is she? Who is this lady talking like this? Who is she? Hey, oh, no, mainstream media that will see this lady. People have been reacting to this lady's video. A lot of people. This lady's video have gone viral. But you will not hear mainstream media talk about this lady. Bring this lady out so that they will question her. And then she will give more information on what she's talking about online. She is bold. She just came out. She's online. You know, where are our leaders? You know, where are the DSS? Where are the Nigerian government? Where are the police? Where are the armies? They just look away now. This lady is online ranting all this. You know? Hey, it's even scary listening to this lady. It's scary, like as I am now. If maybe I'm walking on the road and I see this lady, if I run, I will run more than I can. I will just remove my shoes, carry it on my hand and run, because this lady is more or less this, like even more dangerous than these people we are seeing buying people. You know, look at her. Look at her body language. Look at her. Oh God. Nigerians, we need to do better. And we need to act fast whenever we see what we're supposed to act upon. It's not, molesting innocent people. You know? Innocent people are the people that you people can see fast. You know? Hey, well, let me stop it here. Guys. We will talk again on the next video, okay? See you guys in the next one. Please share this video. This one is not the one that you will finish listening and you keep quiet. I beg, share this video so that it will get to the appropriate place that it's supposed to get. You know? So, sometimes why we are here to, react to some of these videos is to create more awareness. Before things will get worse, we will create awareness about it so that government will act fast. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Please share the video. And also put your comment, share your own thoughts on the comment section. Bye.